Hey y'all, I'm back with another one. I'm actually at work right now, so if you hear some craziness in the background, ignore it. So, my coworker gave me this wig for me to work with and look at it, y'all. She said she got it from AliExpress, and it's definitely giving AliExpress. But don't worry about that, because I got this. But just look at how she gave it to me. In the bun, like she took the bit straight off her head. Rubber band, clips, all this got to go. So, look at these edges. Look at the edges of the wig. It was so caked up with makeup and glue. Like, this wig really gave me a hard time. But, okay. So, I shampooed her, deep conditioned her. And when I was done, it still seemed like it had residue of glue and makeup. So, bitch, I pulled out my tweezers and plucked that shit off because I don't play like that. So, once I plucked it, it was giving what it needed to give, as you can see. So after that, I went ahead and I took this comb out because what the fuck? And I undid that strap too with the rubber band on it because what the fuck? And this is how we look at the end. She don't get her hair done till tomorrow, but I'm making a video now because I'm pressed. I be feeling like y'all be trying me, like, but I'm going to save that for another video. But get into it though. Get into it and I'll give y'all part 2 tomorrow, okay? Make sure y'all follow me, like, comment.